Hey ladies, I'm Jenny Kay. Welcome to the Cold Hard Facts on Sex Habits. I have a question for you. Have you ever noticed that when you're using your electric vibrator and you get those 90 to 110 orgasms a minute, have you ever noticed that afterwards, oh, you feel so good, but then when you're with your partner, sex just isn't the same, the orgasms just aren't the same, and you find yourself craving the vibrator? You find yourself wishing that the sex was over so you could reach down and grab that vibrator from under your bed and really give yourself satisfaction? Well, if that's the case, join me, watch my video on 90 to 110 orgasms a minute, destroying relationships. I can help you. So please watch my video, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss any of them. I cut to the chase. I give you the real deal. And the truth is what you need to hear. So please join me, hit subscribe, and I will see you soon. Blessings to you. Bye-bye.